pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but a hit t-shirt. It moved.
We should have talked.